So, dear children, today we are going to just do some more programs based on series. But before, I would like to see you people whether you are in proper school uniform or not. So, all of you, please switch on your videos. Okay, Divyansh, switch off. Tanya, switch off. Maitri Gupta, switch off. Yes. Anuj Vijesh, okay. Abhijay Ritwik, okay. Switch off, beta. Harsh Singh, Kartikeya Singh, Janya Jaiswal, switch on your videos, beta. Janya Jaiswal, switch on. So after the class, you just call me. Okay. So you can also use your mobile phone as a webcam. I will tell you how. Okay. So there is a method. Okay. Now Kartikeya Singh. Kartikeya. Aditya Dev Sinha. Okay. Uh, so now children, today we are going to just have some more questions based on series. So let us start with. So just see this series. So it is x upon factorial of 1. This mark of exclamation is factorial of 1. And then again factorial of 2, factorial of 3, factorial of 4, up to n terms. So children, I hope everybody knows what is factorial. Okay. So I'm just giving you people 5 minutes time. So please try this question. All of you, please try this. The question is on the screen. So all of you, please try this. Yes. So children, in this program, you need to input two values. One is x and another is the limit n. Yes. Okay, Divyansh. What is the initial value of the product? It is 1. Divyansh, it is absolutely correct. But one thing you have to do, beta, you just take this term as a this yes, as a double type. Otherwise, it will not be able to store the result properly. Rest of the code is absolutely correct. Yes, anybody else? Harsh Singh, Ritvik Singh, Navsatya Singh, Ishan Bose, Yashvardhan Walia has left. Kriti Sinha, beta please share the code. Please share. Yes, anybody else? Hurry up, children. Okay, Gaurav Srivastav. It's correct, Gaurav. The code is okay. Yes, anybody else? Navsatya Singh, Yashvardhan Walia is here. Beta, please code. Give me the code. Now share the code. Yashvardhan Walia is here. Yashvardhan. Yashvardhan. Yeah, beta, share the code. Have you written the logic or not? Aditya Jain. Aditya Jain. Yes, beta, code. Aditya Jain. Okay. Yashvardhan Walia now share beta. Okay, now children, I am just going to discuss this. Here you will be needing few variables. One is x, and one more variable is needed, which is for the limit. We have already taken that, and this variable I have taken for the sum of the, and this I have taken for the factorial. So children, first of all, I would like to tell you what is a factorial. The two values I have already entered. One is the limit and another is that. So now, children, actually what is factorial? If it is 1, it is factorial of 1. And if you multiply this by 2, it will become the factorial of 2. Suppose you want to find out the factorial of 3. So it simply means it is the product of all the natural numbers from 1 to 3. So that is 3 into 2 into 1. So if you just write into 3, it is the factorial of 3. So suppose here we want to print the factorial of the natural numbers up to the limit. What we need to do is, you just start a loop from 1 up to limit it will go, and here you will write f is equals to f into I. F is equals to f into I. And here what to do is, I am printing I along with its factorial f. And here, suppose it is 5, you can see that the factorial of 1 is 1, the factorial of 2 is 2, the factorial of 3 is 6, which is 3 into 2 into 1. The factorial of 4 is 24, which is 4 into 3, 12 into 2, 24, 24 into 1, that is 24. And factorial of 5 is 120. So this is how you can find out the factorial of that. So it is basically it is calculating the factorial of that. And now if you see the series, it is x upon that factorial. So what to do is just write sum is equals to sum plus x upon f. So f is actually what is the factorial, and here the sum of the series is, that is sum. Now you can execute this. So that is suppose the limit is 5 and the value is 2. You can see that here it is coming as 3.0. Only one. I'm not going to explain you nested loop. I'm not going to explain. Wait. Okay, this is Khushali Singh's. But in that case, your code is not correct then. Then every time you have to make, yes, every time you have to make fact 1. That I will explain later on. Okay. Uh, so here, Divyansh and Gaurav, I hope you have understood this, what I am doing. And one more thing, you take this x variable as double. So here just take x is equals to 0.0 this. So it is not x dot this one, it is double type. Now here if the value is 5 and the value is 2, you can see that the result is this. which is 3.43 something like that. So children, here what is happening, initial value of f is 1. So when I is 1, it is 1 into 1, so that is the factorial of 1. So we are utilizing that. Then I becomes 2. When I becomes 2, it is 1 into 2. So if you do into 2, it will become the factorial of 2. Since it is just the multiplication of the natural numbers. So factorial of 2 has come. When the value of I becomes 3, it is factorial of 3. And when the value of I becomes 4, it is factorial of 4. So this is how it is going like that. Gaurav, understood? Yes? The series is very simple and I hope there is no issue. Now I'm just going to modify the series a little bit. The series is x to the power 1, x to the power 3, x to the power 6. I hope you all have understood what I am doing. And this is x to the power 10. Please try to get the logic how to do this. Yes, dear children, please tell. In the same code where the changes are needed. Because at the numerator part, in terms of power, it is the sum of the natural numbers. You can see that. These are the sum of natural numbers. This 10 is actually 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This 6 is actually 1 plus 2 plus 3. This 3 is actually 1 plus 2. So this is coming like this. And if you have any doubt, then please ask. Please tell where the changes are needed. Aditya Jain, Yashvardhan Walia, beta please tell the changes. Navsatya Singh, in order to get that numerator part in terms of natural number sum, what to do? Yes, that is, suppose I have taken D. So what is needed? What is needed? Sum we have already taken, that is not needed. Simply in the previous video, yesterday also we have done that. D is equals to D plus I will tell you the sum. We need only this Java statement. How it is coming? Children, initially the value of D is 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. Now it is 1. Next time when the value of I becomes 2, it is 1 plus 2, which is 3. Now suppose the value of I is 3, then 3 plus 3, which is 6. Suppose the value of I is 4, then it is 6 plus 4, which is 10. So this is how the values are coming. It is the first term, it is the second term, it is the third term, and it is the fourth term. And if you want to print the first term, it is 10 plus 5, which is 15. This is the fifth term. So children, this is how the values are coming. So the natural number sum you can easily calculate, and here there are some changes. What are the changes then? It is math.pow x comma d upon f. This is what you have to do. So we have done with this series. If not, please tell. The limit is 5 and this is 2. The sum is 332.4. This is how the sum is coming. And if there is any issue, then please tell. So children, on GCR I am posting this series and along with the solution. Now one more question I am giving you, and you all have to find out the solution of that. So children, it is not x to the power 1, but it is x to the power 2. And here it is x to the power 2 plus 4 upon factorial of 2. It is x to the power 2 plus 4 plus 6. And here it is x to the power 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 10. So how to do that? How these values will come? This is the series. First term is 2. I'm just talking about x to raised to the power, that numerator term. X to the power 2. The next. Anybody else? Anybody else? Except these two children. Yes, anybody else? Arima Rana, Ramsha Siddiqui, Abhijay Singh, Aditya Jain, Yashwardhan Walia. But first of all, I would like to show you how that value is coming. So Devyansh and Gaurav, just now you people replied now, so your answer is absolutely correct. Here if you write 2 into I, see what values are coming. Suppose the limit is 10 and it is 2. So the values which are coming as 2, 4, 6, 8, it is coming, and in the series also these are the same values. 2, 4, 6, 8. Here it is 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, like that. These values are coming. So 2 into I if you do, then the table of 2 will come. And if you write d is equals to d plus 2 into I, so first of all, what value will come? I am just showing you. Suppose here it is 5. What value is coming? It is coming like 2, 6, 12, 20. I am just showing you how these values is coming. Children, the first is See, the first term is 2 here and it is 2 here. The second term is 2 plus 4, so it is 6. The third term is 2 plus 4 plus 6, which is 12. And the fourth term, if you see that, the fourth term is which is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, and that is 20. So children, these terms are coming like this, and we have written one statement, and that is d is equals to d into 2 plus I. If anybody is having any problem, please tell. Beta, please tell, children. Class 9th. Harsh Singh. Kavya Singh. Kavya Singh. Beta, any doubt? Understood or not? Mahi Upadhyay. Mahi Upadhyay. I will post, beta. Mahi Upadhyay. Are you there? Tanya Singh. Okay. Harsh Singh. Okay. So now here it is the code. The code is very simple. It is incomplete program just now. I have only calculated the numerator part. So that is actually what? Here what we need to write is sum is equals to sum plus, एक second. So that is sum is equals to sum plus x to the power d upon what? In the question, in numerator part, the factorial is. So for factorial, we have already taken this variable f, and if you write f is equals to f into I, the factorial will come. The factorial will come like this. So what to write? Upon f. Very simple. And here after that, the sum of the series is plus sum. This is coming like this. So if the limit is 5 and the value of x is 2, this is the sum which is coming like this. The larger limit I am not taking, otherwise the result will come as infinite. So this is how it's coming. So children, here in the GCR I am posting the question and along with the solution. Okay, now children, one more question I am giving. And that question is x to the power 1 upon 2 plus x to the power 3 upon 4 plus x to the power 5 upon 6 plus x to the power 7 upon 8 up to n terms. Yes, please tell. Up to n terms the values will come. What to do? What are the changes which are needed? So please tell me the code, children. Yes, apply your brain and tell me the code. X to the power 1, 3, 5, 7. This is how the values will come. Yes. Akshat Pandey, Arima Rana, Ramsha Siddiqui, Anjali Singh. This is the question. Yes. What is the initial value of numerator? Uh, Divyansh Chaudhary, you have started the loop from 1 and it is going up to the limit which is 2 into limit. So there you need to write I into 2. I plus is equals to 2. So what is the purpose of that then? So here, no, the values will come if you are writing I into I plus is equals to 2, then the values will come like I 1, 3, 5, 7. So this will come now. So if you are writing like this, then math dot power x to the power I is not correct, because it is calculating like x to the power 1, x to the power 2 like that. And Navsatya, in your case, beta, the value of I is 1. So here you are doing I plus 1, which is coming 2 first. And then 3, then 4 like that. Kartikeya Singh, in your case, Kartikeya Singh, in your case, the condition of the loop must be till I is less than or equals to 2 into n. That is missing, 2 into n. And Gaurav, in your case, it is correct. Gaurav, it is correct. and Chandni Srivastav. The expression which you beta have written, that is 2 is equals t is equals to t plus math dot power x comma a, x to the power a upon a plus 1. Kindly keep this a plus 1 within bracket. Rest of the code is okay. Nav Satya Singh, it is limit up to limit 1 plus, that is, but it is incomplete. It is incomplete. And Aditya Jain. Aditya Jain, your code is okay. 1 to L, who is this? Yuvraj, your code is not correct, beta. Okay, let us, Yashvardhan Walia, let me see your code. Yashvardhan, your code is incomplete. And Aditya Dev Sinha, your code is okay. Okay, now children, here what to do is, if you see this series, that is 1, 3. So simply you just go through this loop, no issues. And here you, what you can do is, simply you can write 2 into I. So the values will come like, it is initially 2 into I. Two into I minus 1. So values will come like 1, 3, 5, 7, like that. And here what you have to write in bracket, it is 2 into I. This is done. Or you can take one more variable here, like you can take k is 2 into I, and here what you can write, you can write k minus 1, and here you can write k. So this is correct. This is how you can write the code. If any problem, then please tell. So I'm just posting this code on GCR. So children, in series, whatever has been taught till now, if anybody is having any issue, then please tell. So please tell if you people have any issue. Now I am just posting the Google form link so that you people can mark your attendance. So after marking the attendance, those who have problem, they can stay. Those who want to ask anything, they can stay. Otherwise, you people can leave. Thank you. So children, if you really have any doubt, then please ask. So in series, whatever we have studied, it's okay, children? Do you have any problem? Aviral Pandey, Divyansh Chaudhary, Kavya Singh? Okay, now we are going to end this session. Thanks for